Your investigations of solids and liquids made me wonder about something. This morning, when I was brushing my teeth, I looked at my toothpaste and tried to figure out if it was a solid or a liquid. It seems like a solid sometimes, and it seems like a liquid in other times. So, our essential question is toothpaste a solid or a liquid? Hopefully, by the end of this quick experiment, you can determine if toothpaste is a solid or a liquid. Before we begin, though, in your interactive science notebook or piece of lined paper, if you didn't bring yours home, write down if you think toothpaste is a solid or a liquid and explain why. Don't forget to copy down the essential question to keep yourself organized. Please pause this video to give yourself time Over the last several weeks, you've found out some things about solids, about liquids, and about what happens to solids and liquids when they're mixed with water, and maybe also what happens when they're put on different surfaces. So I want you to think about that as we go through this very quick experiment. So first, what we have is toothpaste without water. In the middle, you have a picture of toothpaste squeezed into a container halfway filled with water. Then in this third picture, which is actually a video, we have toothpaste with water. But in this case, I shook it up. What do you observe about them? I want you to pause the video and add a few observations to your interactive science notebook or your lined paper, again, if you didn't bring yours home. Please label your observations with the toothpaste without water, toothpaste with water, and the toothpaste that's all shaken up. You could also include drawings. Most scientists do that. As I continue forward, I want to let you know that if you still haven't made your observations or drawn your pictures, then now is a good time to pause the video. So with those same 3 containers, this is now a week later, as I've done part 1 with my class already. So on the left-hand side, you have toothpaste without water. In the middle, you have the toothpaste with water that had been shaken up. And then on the right side, you have toothpaste with water that had not been shaken up. Now what do you observe? Record your observations in your interactive science notebook. Please include a drawing and a detailed description about what you noticed with each of the containers. Again, please pause the video if you're not ready to move forward, and then press play once you're ready to resume the lesson. Now what I'd like for you to do is follow up about whether or not you were correct about our essential question and explain what you learned. So is toothpaste a solid or a liquid? Did you know that many materials are neither solid nor liquid, but a complex mixture of both? Most of the food we eat is solid and liquid. Carrots and peas, pork chops, Swiss cheese, chocolate, and so on. The toothpaste that we looked at in our pictures goes along the same lines. It is water-based, so a blob of your favorite brand stuck to your bathroom mirror will slowly flow downward, and that flow makes it a liquid. However, a bit of toothpaste on a tile by the sink will look in a month exactly as it does today. It has a definite shape, which means it's a solid. Toothpaste has a dual personality because it's concocted out of ingredients representing two states of matter, a solid and a liquid. Therefore, it's a mixture. Please update your input with any of your newfound information.